May this message find exactly who it is meant to find, exactly when it is meant to find them, for their highest and best only. We've got the Empress and the High Priestess. And that's what I was picking up on, you know. I was immediately picking up on Isis and Hathor. All right. I'm immediately picking up on some powerful divine feminine energy. So take that however that resonates. If you're new, hi, my name is Melissa. Glad to have you here. Let's see. Whew, what wants to come through for your highest and best? I keep hearing a song right now. A very painful cycle just ended for you. And I keep hearing, good things coming your way. That's exactly what I'm hearing right now. Yeah, you may have had to deal with some like deception. People stabbing you in the back. Yeah, you may have had to deal with something like that. Take that however that resonates, whether it's friends or family, like just things. Deception is what I'm hearing. People may be trying to take things from you. Quite literally could be like possessions, like quite trying to take things from you. Destiny swapping. That's very specific. Interesting. 10 of Swords coming through though. There is a very painful cycle that is coming to an end. And this was all part of a contract, an initiation to bring you deeper in your connection with yourself, your divinity, and your connection to the divine, to whatever you want to call that, which goes by thousands of names but cannot be named. God, Goddess, Creator, Sophia, the universe. What you went through, that painful cycle, brought you closer. It was contracted to bring you closer to your own power, your own personal power, your own divinity, and your connection to the Creator. All right, Spirit, what else wants to... You are powerful and you are capable of doing anything. That's what's coming through right now. You are a badass being full of life, love, and possibilities. May you know that you are on the path to your best self. You are... Wow. Okay. We like to see it. Yeah. Whatever you had to defend yourself around, you may have had to defend yourself around your home life. You may have had to defend your finances or relationships. Take that however that resonates. But you've had to defend yourself, your business. You had to defend yourself in some way. And there's no karmic energy that can stop your destiny. 3, 2, 1 incoming is what I'm hearing right now. 10 of Cups. You're going from this to this. This is the difference. You're going from this to this. That's the shift. But it was contracted to happen like this. We don't want to dehumanize your experiences. You know, what you went through was painful as fuck and annoying. I'm hearing annoying. But it was all a part of your growth, of your expansion, of your wisdom that you're meant to carry in this lifetime and what you're here to do. And to learn to trust more of you. Take that however that resonates. Cats might be very significant to you. Black cats, big cats, jaguars, mountain lions, lions in general, tigers. Lions and tigers and bears, oh my. Lions and tigers and bears, oh my. We're going to pull an energy oracle. Let's see look at this. This happy ending, this happily ever after is meant to happen for you, is destined for you. This literally wanted to come out. And the Magician in the mirror is here on the other side. And the Magician in the mirror has to do with understanding the situations in your life that have been reflected back at you, being the alchemist, transmuting those stories, transforming yourself through the fire of the difficult situations that you had to go through, and coming back into more of your power and to more of who you are. I'm hearing you know which way to go. Maybe right now you're not entirely sure how things are going to work out, they're saying. A certain situation. For some of you, it's a living situation. For some of you, it's romance, your career, You're not entirely sure how a situation is going to work out, how it's going to go, but they want to remind you of your power, of the creator of worlds, the divinity within you, to remember your power to create worlds. My nose is itching, right on the nose. My nose really is itching. Anyway, but right on the nose, they want you to understand and remember the power of your divine soul and what you are capable of doing. Hold on 1 second. I got to pause this. Okay, I'm hearing you do know which way to go, and there are a lot of things that want to distract you and to make you second guess yourself. Second guess yourself is what they're saying. What is the oracle message that wants to come through? Okay, why is this coming out? Financial constraints. You are a collective that has had to deal with a lot of sabotage in your material world, is what they're saying. Yeah, right on the nose. My nose is itching. Sabotage in your material world. This financial constraints card is not just talking to me like about prosperity, having difficulty in prosperity, having difficulty in money. It's also telling me that you've had some difficulty in career expansion, in your love life, they're saying. Just things that have held you back. They're saying the way to move forward. Wow, my nose is itchy. Right on the nose. The way to move forward now in life, you have to begin to get yourself out of your comfort zone in this next chapter. To get yourself to the rainbow, you have to get yourself out of the comfort zone. Contract coming out. There's a certain contract that was taking place, that was unfolding between you and another person, is what they're saying. You and a situation. There's a certain contract that was playing out to be healed, to be rewritten. Wow, you see? And this has to do with money. You're going from this financial constraints to this blossoming abundance. This is the shift, and it's happening now. They're telling me to go check out in my on my website my free sacred shadow healing offer. It's going to really support you with any type of shadow around success in love, success in career, success in money, success in your health, your well-being. Go check out that offer. It's going to support you. But you're literally, what did I say? You're going from the 10 of Swords to the 10 of Cups. Financial constraints to blossoming abundance. Confirmation from the bird outside the window. Birds might be very significant to you. And cats. Cats, big cats energy. Wolves, dogs, coyotes, bunnies, groundhogs, birds are coming through. Like, I'm feeling like this spring energy, this blossoming abundance, this spring energy. You need to begin to trust yourself and what your intuition is telling you to do. This is like, and really, like, what you've been through was the beginning of you learning how to trust you. Really trust you and what you're capable of doing. Okay. Is there any final messages? You're literally the cornucopia. This is what I was hearing. If you've made it to the end, this message is definitely for you. Not everybody makes it to the end. And if you've made it to the end, put a little bee emoji in the comments. A little bee emoji. Because there's a blossoming, a cornucopia, an overflow taking place in your life. And what I heard last night, I was sitting with spirit and I was sitting in meditation. And I was connecting in because I knew I was going to channel a message today. And I heard, you never have to worry about lack again. It is only your perception of that. If you are experiencing lack, it is your perception of that. And you are now understanding the power behind this. It just got silent. That's what that message was for you. Whoever you are, that message was for you. You have shifted from this to what has been holding you back into a state of overflow and blossoming, having overflow of love, of resources, community. It's happening. And any experience of lack is only a perception of that. And it's a riddle that spirit is speaking in right now. Not everybody is going to understand what I'm saying. Not everybody has made it to this part of the video. If you are here, this message is for you. Holy shit. Congratulations. Your life is deeply transforming. And it's about damn time. This is your destiny. Your magician energy, your creator energy is deeply, deeply activating. In a sense now where you're grounded in it and stable in it, to the point now where you're attracting in circumstances of overflow, of things that you've been praying for to experience. This lifetime that your soul is in, this lifetime, you get to experience the dreams and the desires that you want. And any perception of lack or any experience of lack is just a perception of that. Any experience of failure is just a perception of that. Because those things happen, they're all a part of the journey that leads you to, that is just the road of destiny is what they're saying. This is a very riddled message. I hope that this resonates and it served you well. If you would like to dive deeper in a personalized reading, I still have the spring sale event going on. I have private sessions available. Very limited space is left now. I think there's only like 1 or 2 appointments. So if you're looking to connect either in a personalized reading or private session, go check out my offers. I would be honored to hold that space for you. I also have a sale going on for my Reiki training as well as my Remember workshops. So if you're interested, everything that I offer is linked in the description, and I would be honored to connect with you deeper on your journey. I hope you have a great rest of your day, night, whatever time it is that you're watching this video, and I will see you in the next aligned channeled message that's for you. All right. Goodbye for now.